I'm gonna show you how to add default settings on your uploads for your YouTube videos. This will save you a lot of time. So first you go to Video Manager. Once you click on the Video Manager, you go to your left hand side, go to Channel and click on it. And you're gonna see Upload Defaults. Click on the Upload Defaults. And here you have all your defaults. You can have it to go to private or public or how-to videos, standard license, and you can also put a title in there if you want your videos to be uploaded with a title, which I'm gonna add a title here just to show you, give you an example. And I'm gonna change this up a little bit under my descriptions. I'm gonna put "buy this." Okay, I type "buy this." And you also could put tags on there. You see I got a few tags. Make sure you put the quotes around, like you want to type something, welding, make sure it's in quotes. So these are all my settings. So then you hit save. So now I'm gonna give you an example. I'm gonna upload a video and show you what happened to the defaults. I'm gonna find one of my old videos on my desktop or somewhere I got it stored. I think it's on the Dropbox. So I'm gonna upload this video here. You see while it's uploading, you see how it defaulted to Welding and Stuff website. And you remember before I typed this "buy this," and you have all these defaults. Remember I told you how to you put in the defaults, and it went to private or you could change it to public. So that's how you do your upload defaults. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.